Welcome to my channel, DylTri Cuisine. In this video I'll be showing you how to make Shrikand, a quick and easy recipe. In a bowl, add in the Greek yogurt, now add in the powdered sugar and fold this into the yogurt. Now heat up the milk and then add in the saffron. This will turn the milk slightly yellow. Mix this together. Now add this into the yogurt mix and fold in. Now add in the crushed cardamom and the grounded pistachios and almonds and mix this in. Now garnish with grounded almonds and pistachios. You can add any fruits as you wish to the Shrikand. Here I'm adding mandarins. Now place in the fridge to set for 4 hours and then the Shrikand is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.